What's up, everybody? This is Colin Dijs from Dijs University, the ClickBank native ads journey. The next step, I'm here today again with Daniel.
What's up?
And today we're going to have a look at our little new campaign, what the results are, and we're going to make some important adjustments. So this is the campaign we've been running. The main issue was that it was not spending yesterday. So from the last 24 hours, the problem was basically I upped the bids from 40 cents to 80 cents to $1.40 to $4.40 to $8.40, and it was not spending. $12 in 24 hours. So then I contacted my account manager at Volume DSP, and he told me that actually the icon size, if you go to traffic opportunities and then go to creatives, and this still needs to be updated, it will say that the icon size, you need to increase it or shorten the headline to get more available traffic for all placements. And obviously when your traffic is reduced 77%, the bids are not placed, you lose 77% of all available traffic, if not more, if the placement has a lot of traffic. So I put in the right icon, which was the one Daniel said yesterday, the one we used previous time. So
Yep.
Obviously I ignored you and my own mistake. That's what happens. You can see relative win rate extremely low. 3 pages on 1,000 placements, so 3,000 placements, right? 3,000 placements on $104 CPA. We made no conversions so far. It's going to be around $350,000 to test this campaign, and obviously it's a fuck no. We're not going to do that, right? It's a little too crazy. But then I remembered, Daniel, a couple of weeks ago we got a couple of whitelists, and one of them was for Algorex. They were from the
Correct.
Nutra trials, but I reckon they will work with this style of campaign as well. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to... Oh wait, that's my contact for the whitelist. Should I pick it up? Yeah, I'm gonna pick it up. 1 second. Hey bro. I'm recording a YouTube video right now. You're in it. Camera's still rolling. You feel important? Nothing. I'm going over the Algorex campaign. The whitelist you sent me, yeah, way back 2 weeks ago or something. Remember that it has the dots in it, right? Can I upload it? Can I upload it as is? All right. So what? This is what I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm going to make the campaign live right now with the whitelist because it's like 3,500 placements. That's a little too crazy for YouTube to spend like 300K on a testing campaign, right? No, it's without the whitelist. I put the campaign live without a whitelist. Then I remember I got it for Daniel, the whitelist, and we're going to use it now. So I will make the campaign for YouTube. I'll throw it live with the whitelist. And if it's no spend within like an hour, I'll put a high CPM bid. Then I'll just message you later. Is that cool? Ooh, which is? Ooh, I will wait, yeah? Patiently. Aye, bro, you're the best. Yes, cheers, bro. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Sounds
Damn,
like
bro.
developing news.
We got the hookup. Now, he said it should be good. He double-checked the whitelist. We can send the campaign name. That's a real responsible account manager. Calls me when I need him. So we upload it right now, the campaign. With the whitelist. If it doesn't spend, he will fix it. He will just adjust the whitelist, insert it into our account. And he has something new and juicy. So I told him, send it over on Skype. And he will do that later today. Options,
Very nice.
options. All right, so we'll go to display planning tool. And then we'll go to inventory lists. I said inventory lists, yeah. And I think it's already here.
It's already there.
Sweet. So what we do is we go to the tracker. We go to campaigns. We go click here. We say duplicate. Yes. What should we put here? Oh, whitelist.
Mm-hmm.
What's the date today? Today is a beautiful day.
Today's the 28th.
Oh, Gucci. Oh, wait. Where's the whitelist though? Not Gucci.
Yeah, you have to set up the whitelist.
Launch it without the whitelist. That would be funny. Okay, there we go. Is this gonna reduce? No. Oh, now it even went up. You see?
Yeah, it went up.
Okay. What are we gonna do? We're gonna go all in?
Well, yeah, you got to test to see if it actually spans. So I would go at least 75%.
Yeah, I will go a little higher.
Okay.
I was thinking $12, maybe too crazy. Second prize though. So we'll settle on 6.81.
Yeah.
I think that's good. 500 a day, smooth. That's juicy. Okay, this is all good. Yeah, it's only 56 images. I think I skipped the headline when I created the ads.
Mm.
Oh, you disappointed with me?
No, I thought we were correct.
Well, we were correct, but I had to remove all the ads and put the new ones when I had to put this new icon, yeah?
Oh, okay, got it.
I gave them the feedback though. I told them this is fucking shit. I should be able to change something easily and not like one by one go through this, you know?
Right.
But anyway, next. 2, 1, all the campaign settings are the same. Start date. Today. What time is it? 5 p.m. Don't want it to bug out or anything. Save. Skip. Because it's the placements are preset, right? So I can show you
Right.
that. So, because this is like a ginormous campaign. All right, this is cool. Let me look at ICTR. ICTR quite low for Algorex, but the CPM is also not that crazy. This is the lowest one, I reckon. Yeah. So 8.55. Impressions, 100. Not that interesting. These are the new ad images, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we have to get the highest one from 1000, which is this image, brains again, tapeworm, and then again brains.
Tapeworm. Yeah.
All in all, it's this headline that seems to be performing the best right now. But what can we say? It's only 1,000 impressions, right?
Yeah, I need more data.
Yeah, I need like 5,000, 10,000. That would be good. Let me show you the applications. So one thing I did realize was if you filter on ICTR, you will get a couple of crazy ones. So ICTR 800%, 400%, 200%. That's all
Wow.
bot traffic, right? It's not
Yeah.
that many clicks. Look, 200% win rate makes no sense.
No sense.
So yesterday, everything that was 100% win rate, I
You raised the bid, right?
No, I locked a bit.
Okay.
So I don't know if they're still here, but let me just put it on yesterday. I locked the bid at 20 cents or something. Yeah, you see. So
Right.
I missed this
I
one,
see him now.
but I locked all of them, just because 100% win rate with almost no traffic. Just drop down the CPM a second price anyway. Apparently, it's no traffic, but once they do reach traffic, you don't want them to pop up out of the blue, right? You just want the win rate to go down so you notice it properly. Then, so ICTR is a good indication of the bots. I looked at the CTR extremely low, right? But if you have poor quality placements there, then with a run campaign it makes sense. Look, 200% out of one click. So this could be duplicate clicks, that's fine. But here, 11 clicks, 27, and the ICTR really low on standard user behavior. Cost per views already above the max here, $1.5 for a few. That's a little too crazy. Well, it can be higher if there's actually conversions. So the last thing I checked was the iOS, Android 4.0, right? I kept it on because there was no suspicion of bot traffic. They only spent 1 cent.
Mm.
And if so you have this suspicious visits or no?
Yes, I do.
It's only for grow plan and hire, I think, but it's obviously
Yes,
extremely
I
useful.
pay a lot for it.
It's triggered very quickly when, and I think this one is me. It's triggered very quickly when the bots come through. So if I put it on the last 48 hours, I think some show maybe on the creatives. Oh, here it is. Here's the 1.05%.
Yeah.
And obviously, when you see a placement or a creative, usually it goes on placement basis, yeah, with too high of a suspicious visit count, just turn that shit off. We don't need no, here, 100% suspicious visits.
100%. Yeah.
There's only
Turn
one
it off.
though. It's only one.
Yeah.
But in general, we don't really want to fuck with that. Makes no sense.
Right.
All right, questions, Daniel, or we're just gonna wait it out for now?
No, we're just gonna wait it out. We need more data.
There's nothing really that interesting to say yet. I have
Yeah.
no updates in regard to the new campaign yet. So we're gonna leave it at this today. The new campaign got automatically approved, which is great, on the whitelist. We'll come back tomorrow with the first results, hopefully some conversions. Let's wait. Thank you, Daniel. Check in with you guys tomorrow.